Всем привет! С вами снова канал IPVIDEO-NN, системы безопасности в Нижнем Новгороде. Сегодня поговорим о беспроводных охранных системах. Можно сказать, не так давно мы работали с фирмой Ajax, там по-разному ее называют. Система беспроводная, охранная, она первая появилась. Сразу подкупила ее дизайн приборов, датчиков, функциональность, все. Мы перешли, стали работать с этой системой, но благодаря нашим политикам, войнушки с Украиной, мы лишились этой системы. Очень быстро, я должен сказать, прям быстро среагировали фирма Hikvision. Нужно отдать ей должное. Она привезла свою беспроводную систему AX Pro. Переходить больше не на что было. Никакие что левые там охранные системы брать. Мы взяли несколько объектов, сделали на этой системе AX Pro. Сразу должен сказать, что интерфейс, внешний вид датчиков, все напоминало Ajax. Все напоминало. Такое ощущение, что в Китае это делает одна фирма, а все другие у нее берут, свой лейбл делают, там какие-то свое программное обеспечение, и пошло-поехало. В общем, мы сделали, работает, ничего здесь сказать плохого не могу. Мне не понравился интерфейс управления. Причем у Ajax не было софта под компьютер. Там все управлялось с мобильного устройства. Все настраивалось, все управлялось с мобильного устройства. Они обещали сделать для компьютера, но потом сейчас не знаю, есть, нет у них. У Hikvision это есть, но они тоже внедрили это в общую схему совсем и вся. Причем я начинал работать с одной программы, потом они ее переделали в другую программу, потом перевели все это в третий аккаунт. В общем, мне не очень понравилось, причем в программе всего очень много, все это на английском, и когда сделаем некоторые манипуляции туда-сюда, перевели это все в русский язык, понятнее не стало. Поэтому я, как всегда, говорю, что Hikvision мне нравится в плане качества изображений и прочего, но мне не нравится их софт. Мне софт их очень не нравится. Компания DAHUA раскачивалась очень долго, и через только 2 года они вывели свое оборудование под брендом DAHUA с названием AirShield. Та же самая, можно сказать, Ajax, тот же самый AX Pro Hikvision-овский, все свое, но со своим софтом. И он для меня более понятен. Может быть, это дело привычки, здесь кому как. Но мне, как я и сказал, Hikvision-овский софт не нравится, DAHUA-шный софт мне нравится больше, он более интеллектуально понятный. Они вывели эту систему, привезли. Поэтому сегодня поговорим как раз об этой системе. Ролики, которые я буду нарезать дальше, они сняты другими представителями DAHUA. Конкретно представительством DAHUA в Великобритании и Ирландии. Мне их канал очень нравится. Я всегда там прям с наслаждением смотрю их, они делают очень хорошие тесты, и все эти ролики, которые будут в дальнейшем, сделаны именно и этими ребятами. Так что поехали!
Okay, Michael, thank you for that. Okay, so it's over to me now to take a look at the technical elements of the AirShield technology. Now, I installed the product in my house. I've had it for 2 days, and I can say already that I am overwhelmed with its performance. I've installed many different intruder alarm technologies over my past time, and of course I can see we are definitely onto something with this new technology integrating with all of our previous technology, such as cameras, intercom, general video surveillance, and of course obviously now detection. AirShield is going to be our new product range for intruder technology. The first product, the hub, okay, the thinking machine behind your intruder detection. Now, the hub has a lithium battery that will support a 12-hour idle time on the inside of the device. So if we do lose our connectivity completely, no power, no Ethernet, then of course we can back up on the 12-hour power supply and the dual SIM communication option. Now, if you do get an AirShield kit, it will come with the hub, the PIR detector, the door contact, and a single key fob for arming and disarming the system. Now, of course, that means you will be able to do very many video motion detection events in the event of the actual device being triggered, and you've got a 4-year lifespan. Obviously, continuous camera viewing will shorten that time down, so that's why we don't allow that on the DMSS app. Now, whenever you actually have your system armed, and then of course somebody comes into the field of view, then of course motion will be detected and it will be sent to you in the form of JPEG images. The AirShield PIR detectors. And so these particular devices can be mounted in 2 different ways. It could be flush mount to the actual wall, or it can be corner mounted and of course obviously monitor the complete field of view. Now on these particular devices, they both come with temperature detection. They both come with pet immunity. They have about a 4-year battery life on the inside of the actual capacity. And whenever testing the actual product, you of course Okay, now the AirShield product range also comes with the door contacts, so as you would suspect, but there are 2 different door contacts. You've got your standard wireless door contact, battery operated, and of course you also got your door detector plus. Now the difference between the 2 devices is that on the door detection plus, it also has a vibration sensor. So of course if you were to rattle the door, make a dent on the door, kick the door, then of course on your detection plus, then of course the alarm will go off. It would almost be like a door tamper scenario. On both sets of them, they also have the temperature detections built in as well. So of course you can utilize your temperature detections. Some people have utilized this whole temperature detections in, intruder technology because it does support Okay, so the AirShield wireless siren. Now there was 2 things that interested me about the wireless siren. Now when I tested this, it wasn't so much about loud, because I've done lots of intruder alarm systems and of course they've been loud before. Loud just, makes you more alert, makes you, scare the hell out of you, and then of course you leave. However though, this time, yes, it was loud, but it was the frequency. Now, the AirShield wireless keypad, I did actually enjoy installing this one because it comes on a flat mount bracket for you to install, but the backlight settings was great. The second that you even touch it, then of course it illuminates completely, and then of course you've got the single button arming and disarming. You also get these fancy fobs that come with it, so of course you can just hold it over and of course arm and disarm. Now, the AirShield does come with a key fob. If you actually get a wireless alert kit, then of course not only will you get the hub, you get 1 PIR detector, 1 door contact, and 1 key fob in the actual box. The key fob can be used for a couple of things: arm, disarm, SOS. Okay, so the wireless panic button. Now the wireless panic button has 2 buttons with an LED illuminator in the middle here. You can decide what you want it to do. Do you want to trigger the internal and external siren? Do you want to just trigger the external siren for 20 seconds, so on and so forth? So of course 2 button wireless panic button. AirShield does in fact actually come with the break glass detector. It comes with a adhesive sticker on the inside of the box. Put that actual on the device, hold that on for a couple of seconds on the actual glass, and then of course when the system is armed, if there is any breakages, then of course the alarm will be triggered immediately. Okay, the AirShield external Wi-Fi siren. Now this device is battery operated, can also be powered by DC. From an installation perspective, when you're actually installing the box, it states that it's 110 decibel siren. I'm quite confident it was a lot more than that. Opposed to having just a standalone intruder alarm system, AirShield connects to all of our other product ranges. AirShield's compatible with video surveillance, video intercom, access control, NVRs and DVRs, so that's obviously digital and analog. With the aid of DSS being able to group all of those unique features into one option, I can set up a intrusion detection under video surveillance in my front garden. The best part about AirShield is all of our other product ranges it connects to. Today we're going to show you a VTH working with AirShield, so that will be mixing our intercom and our intruder together. We have the VTH and we have the outdoor video intercom, so as we can see we're all online. Now, if we actually press the video intercom button,
calling now, please wait a moment.
We will get the call. Okay, I'm gonna cancel that.
The line is busy now.
Okay, now see there's an arrow there on the right side of the VTH. If I press that, then of course we can actually see the AirShield products. Okay, so we can see the arming, disarming, home and away. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it into home mode now, and I'm being prompted with the password. For that I've just made it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 for now. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so as you heard from the beep, that's now armed. Now we can still utilize the video intercom, but because we've got our VTH connected to our AirShield, now we're in home mode. The door contacts are in home mode. If we were to open up this door, okay, and as you can see, the VTH will trigger alarm also. Let's close that up again. Okay, let's disarm it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Device disarmed, and now while it's disarmed, if I was to open up the door now, I would just get a regular chime feature. Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at AirShield and a network video recorder. I'm going to be using the EI range in this particular case, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to be focusing on what options are available in the event an alarm is triggered on the DAHUA AirShield intruder alarm products. Let's go take a look in the training room. Okay, so let me show you the first feature that we have on the EI recorder when we are using the AirShield technology. Go back to the live view. I've engaged this door contact in home mode, so I will activate that now. Activated, and now let's trigger the alarm. Excellent feature. Okay, I'm going to arm it in home mode. And then I'm going to point this PIR at Colin. Excellent. Okay, so for my third test, I want to set it up so then that way the NVR will beep. I want a multi-channel video matrix, and I want the PTZ here, the SD8, to move to preset 2 in the event that I open up this door. Let's get ready. Let's activate the hub in home mode. Activated, and let's go. Excellent. Okay, so as you saw from those demonstrations in the training room, there are many options available from a DAHUA AirShield and that network video recorder. So of course, moving the actual technologies between intruder and video surveillance, then of course you can see that's another unique selling point to AirShield because it's integratable with all of our other products, just like that demonstration.
Итак, мы посмотрели ролики, и опять же говорю, я любитель DAHUA. Почему? Потому что это золотая середина. Качество, надежность, производительность, цена. Плюсом ко всему этому это интеграция систем домофонии, контроля доступа, видеонаблюдения, систем охраны, систем пожарной безопасности. Все эти системы могут объединяться в один комплекс и работать совместно в одном программном обеспечении. Систему охраны мы будем ставить именно от фирмы DAHUA, ее бренд, не знаю как назвать, или просто название AirShield. Так что всем пока, до новых встреч!